He's right, that came
I might have to get in the car. I think I left that. I want to use a black midge.
Sweet tie. What's Timmy? What are you doing? You need any pinky? You're killing me. I missed it. There he came back for it. Woohoo! Oh, what a big rock here. Brown trout. Beauty. Get her done. Easy, boy. Easy. There you go. I know some people are going to say, oh, that's not how you do it. Well, that's how I do it. Take some line out. Man, they're really jumping down underneath that tree, Timmy. Well, you can come down here and I'll move up there. All right, slow retrieve. That should get them. We're getting deeper in the hole here. There he is. There he is. Oh, that's a honey. I was ready to pick up and give up. He's taking line. Rainbow. Oh yeah. Nice rainbow. Caught him right on the gill plate. This is how you tear your line, by the way. Now I'm in my net. That's what I was trying to get away from. Easy. There he goes. Now we have a mess. All right, we may be calling halftime. trout. Beauty. Head up. Head up. See, now that hook is on the outside of his chin. Little beauty. There you go. Beautiful. All right, keep your rod low. Swing your rod horizontally across there. Let it go out a little more, I think. We haven't fished down there yet. Sometimes when you let it out like that, they get excited. Then you got twice as far to reel. All right, let's go. Let's see what happens here. 2 jerks, 3 jerks. One on this end of the rod and one at the other end. Now just a slow retrieval sometimes. I can't resist. There he is. I knew it. Woohoo! Timmy! Oh, nice brown trout. Woo! Not happy. He's just growing up. Nice red dots on him. Oh my goodness. Thank you, little guy.